president of the WCPLA Youth, and tonight we're having our WCPLA Youth fundraiser. I want to thank the Lord, first of all, for giving us His glory, and I'm going to introduce, I want to let herself introduce my co-MC, who's going to lead us for the remainder of this night.
Wow, it's a code for a reason. Good evening, everyone. My name is Grace, Umago Grace. I'm one of the youth supporters for the WCPLA Youth. Welcome you guys with open and thankful hearts for supporting us, coming tonight to support our youth. I actually do apologize for both of my mole Gabau tofatongia ako mo kitulane ko ni ai tofatongia ko ko na mawaki ya ni I think we toklo kalama we got the opening prayer where lot of sali kakimu aya sorry. So, I'm just going to hand it over again to the president, and he'll just let you know, the next program before we get into the opening prayer.
Thanks, Grace. So, I know everyone's hungry at the moment, and you guys paid a lot of money to come eat our delicious food, but we can't eat without praising the Lord. So, first of all, before we eat, we always do our prayer. And before we do our prayer, there's always a hymn of those double. But since the youth are taking over, I'm going to ask our youth to do a little action song just to get everyone in the groove, get everyone in the presence of the Lord. And then I'm going to ask our favorite class, Celestial Bonio, to do us a lot after our performance. Before we start, we have found a lost phone. And it's a white cover, and it's a Vodafone brand. If anyone's lost their phone, please, we'll keep it up with Grace at the front. So if you're too mad to get it now, you can come later and get it. So, without further ado, I want to introduce everyone who paid $50 for this dinner. You guys are awesome. The WCPLA Youth. Goodness me. And before we introduce, I'm going to bring out my leaders. We couldn't have this night without them. So can we give a round of applause for the WCPLA Youth Leaders?
This is how we worship.
Kolega saya setuju. Kita berikan dengan tahu pada masyarakat itu.
Kemaluan ke Palestina kama MC lagi kama tahu tu lo kama tahu ke mata pai ba popo ba kama tahu ko le kiha o tafa kama tahu ko le ni to tahu ya eno fa e dia de ko le tang de kama tahu lu de tahu ya kala lo pa dia tak pergi eu tu maaf kembali pada John bertahu dah jiwa betul dengan itu dengan ke alif orang mereka nasional yang ketua Abraham Isaac Jacob kau ngomong tengah tanpa nama itu nasional yang ketua Mama Kui nasional yang ketua Mama Tamai. Kalau kau be orang tua mau ikut tua dia, nasional tahu saja di ahli BPP kota nak. Lima tahun yang ini kaya saya nahar nasional, maroh ofa, tuh kalau beda posisi kelasi ke BPP sama buaya. Yang tu tahun mau difasilitasi bersama maroh nasional. Kau ini nak lelaki kau tapi kau fainasi mau buaya, mau siapa kau ini. Kemudian kau ini foto tu ay tangata, mau siapa mau ahok ini. Tentang apa bela nasional. Mau itu kapal na dia nak tahu ni tahu ni mau mama fai dia nasional. Dia mau kalau dia pogo ini. Kalau mau dalam dia, dia tahu dia mau kalau mau sih pogo ini. Si tahu, kau tahu tak dia tahu kalau dia. Itu kan mafia ini yang kita tahu. Anak mau dia, anak mau tu, itu mafia ini yang kita tahu. Tak anak gimana? Pasal kau itu nak tahu. Bahaya orang empat dia tasik lelai, dengan talabau pun dia tasik lelai. Saya nampak lagi saya ni gila kalau mak ni dah. Isi hok, kalau mari mak ni, anda tu orang kamu buat, buat tu orang tahu, no mungkin mari mak kau. Tu kita orang potong tengah tengah, menurut tu tengah. Kamu mau bersama yang berdoa, dan no mungkin mari bersama. Ifia na ofisia malotu ya wako ini walau mali puri wafunua mau tadi Steven Paul wata wai isi hawa ni mapila fa no utran mana nasional walau mali ya hote kama hata tu sola mengulang kedua PT wong na oka ko kuna na fa tang ke fa mau lu fa papa ko to me kata nasional. Kalau kita kau ni lot tahu mana ni, siapa? Siapa pun nak faham. Mereka yang betul ni, kau dia, hari ini orang tak pergi dia kau ni. Kau ni mata pun nak kau kau ni. Kau kata kita masih banyak bapa kau ni. Kau nak mahu mana kau kau. Kau ni, bukan nak. Itu hanya nak kau kalah dengan kau ni. Kapag mau ini, tak ilah hoki, hoki mak mana ini, mak loh. Itu kau tengah ingau, mak mana yang final. Hari mana kau pakai kata to, kau ni harus to, itu yang kita mau mak ni. Mau kau ni betul nak ni, mau stress kau alo, mau kau ini, ini.
Hello. So right now, I'm going to ask the youth to stand up and go backstage and get ready for the next performance, please. Do that quietly and gracefully one line at a time. Alright, so now it's time to eat. I know everyone's been waiting for this moment, and I know there's a lot of us today. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to start from the front table, which is table 2. The buffet, the plates start right there when you see that piece of flour. I labeled it as the buffet starter. So I want to ask table 2 to start us off. Once table 2 goes, I want to ask table 1. And we're just going to go back and forth until we reach the back. So I'm sorry to the back, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. But you know what? You can talk to the person next to you and tell them how beautiful your day was. If you have any problems, I'll come there and I'll have a little session with you. We can tell them your problems and I'll introduce you to the Lord. So I'm going to ask the DJ to play us a song. We'll go and get the one. We'll have the Oruma. We'll have the Papa. We'll have the we'll have the Kui, the Matua. We'll have the Mua. On our table 2 to please start us off with the buffet. DJ, can we have a song, please?
Thank you.
Thank you.